That's our ever-favored snowfall indicator there. Little kind of pergola. And it is a foot of snow. That's a foot of snow there. Here's the cars. Completely buried. And you can see how much snow there is on the ground around the cars. And this is from what they initially said was going to be 5 to 8 inches, and then they reduced that to 3 to 5 inches, and then that was reduced to 1 to 3 inches in the forecast yesterday through last evening. And yeah, it's just kind of a look at what we got out here. It's 6,100 feet on the edge of the Prescott National Forest on the west side of town. And it is still snowing. Yeehaw.